Hello, this is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com. I'm doing a training and coaching video for everybody. And I have to share this with you. I think y'all know this, that I was involved in the development of this product in the beta test group a long time ago, decades ago almost. And it's MarketSmith. It is a great investment tool. There's other good ones out there, all right? This is just the one that I've used, and I got daily graphs chart books in here going back, believe it or not, since the early 90s. I'm a big student of the CANSLIM method, but we've taken CANSLIM and put it on steroids. There's a lot of things that we look at and we take into consideration. We fine-tuned it. I want to share this with you. We're looking at key site technologies. One of the things that's interesting is when people are teaching is they constantly show charts after the fact, and that's okay. That's okay. But a perceptual bias could enter into our thought processes when all we see things working after the fact. Oh, well, that was easy. Well, that was easy. Sure, I'll just do that. You got to sit there and analyze, how do you feel when it's going, when it's starting? What do you look for? So this is a stock that came up on our screens before it broke out. One of the screens that we have is a screen that has earnings. In fact, I'll show it to you. It's right here. I'll show you my screens. I don't even know how. Right here. 40% earnings in the top 40 groups. Boy, what an original title, huh? There it is. 40% earnings. 40%. That is a fact from O'Neill Research that leading stocks, by and large, have great earnings and or great sales. So we're looking at keys, and you can say, well, oh, Pat, earnings were up 82%. No, that's not what we're looking at. We're looking at here. Earnings were up 42%. Before it broke out above this spot. And you can say, well, that's a really nice move from 63 up to near 90. Boy, Pat, you're up almost 50%. That's really nice. Let's do something. Let's go back in time and see what it looks like. Here's the move. Walking up the 8-day exponential moving average. And here's the 20. And it's just grinding on up for us. And we're in it. We're still in it. I want to show you something, though. We're going to change the date right here to January 4th. There we go. This is what we were looking at on January 4th, and that line was drawn back then, okay? And you can see it's just a clean and simple base going sideways here. But this is the important thing. Relative strength. This is the relative strength line. Even though the stock is going sideways, relative strength's in new high ground. This stock was outperforming the market before it broke out. Bill O'Neill Research points out leading groups, leading stocks have high relative strength ratings, and this one did. So you can see this little shelf right here. By the way, note this bar. Up on a pickup in volume. See that? Then it pulls back, and then it goes up on a pickup in volume. And you can say, well, gosh, if this takes out this spot right here above 63.09, maybe it's a buy. Advance it one day. Oh, look, it pushes through. Relative strength's even stronger. And it does it on a pickup in volume. The screens from MarketSmith caught this before it broke out. This has been on the key list. This was on the key list for a while right in here. We own this stock for $63.16, and I can document that. Why? Well, it pushed above 63.09, and it did it on a good pickup in volume. This is what we're looking for. You could advance it. You could advance it. You could advance it. It's like, oh, sell it, sell it. Why? Why? Hang on. Don't limit your profits, limit your losses. Could you sell a little bit into strength? Sure. But you can see what it did. Just walking up the line. Now, let's stop here. You can say, oh, right here, it gaps down on heavy volume and it closes at the 8-day. Maybe sell a little bit. Not all of it, though. And then it just takes off again. And entry here at 63.16 leads to this. great numbers. It had another quarter of good earnings, and it's in a top group. Quantify your screens. I have to share this with you. There's a reason I'm doing this is, I'd like to be a part of Mission Winners because this is what I do for you. I work for you and find these stocks and make a video every night that's not just buy this. It's explaining why to buy it. Build a case, build conviction. Also, I have to tell you right now, MarketSmith is having a sale on their product. This is MarketSmith right here. They're having a sale on their product right now. It's regularly $150 a month. Right now you can get it for $25 or it's $100, whatever it is. $25. Try it for the month. And again, folks, I don't work for them. I don't get anything from them. I don't get a discount from them. But I will tell you this. This is a great product. And here's my screens right here. And they work. They find super stocks. That's what we're after. Super stocks. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. That's how come we got keys and a host of others. Just systematize things. Study past winners. And MarketSmith helps you in that journey. And by doing so, it helps you make more money. And right now, they have a really good discount at MarketSmith. Anyway, wanted to share that with you. My goal is this. It's not just to give ideas. It's to educate. You know why? Because knowledge is power. Once you own the concept, you can do it on your own. I want to help to get you that point. So thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it.